In the spring. It rains.
Hey, it really is raining. We're going to get wet.
I can help with that.
I love it. Wow. Okay.
This is
Great. Oh, we better wait on the school steps until the rain stops.
Okay.
Yeah, come on.
Let's go. Excuse me. Thank you.
Little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean all around the land. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love, help to make the sun shine through the clouds above.
That's pretty, man.
But I still wish it would stop raining so we could play some more.
Oh.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Barney's friends all want to play. Rain, rain, go away.
It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. It's raining, it's pouring,
Rain, rain, go away.
the old man is snoring.
Come again another day.
He went to bed and bumped his head
Barney's friends all want to play.
and couldn't get up in the morning.
Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.
Barney, do you think it's going to keep raining for a really long time?
Oh, I don't think so. Rain is just a kind of weather, and no weather lasts very long on Four Seasons Day.
It doesn't?
Nope. In fact, I think this rain should be ending just about now. Yep, right on schedule.
Wow, look, the rain really did stop. All the clouds are gone.
And the sky's so blue, it looks like it'll never rain again.
Oh, it'll rain again someday, and it's a very good thing, too. We need rain.